Hello?
Carl, it's me, Ken. The Leone family has made their move. Salvatore's here. Now, he's taken over Caligula's. We're screwed. It's war for control of Venturas, man. War! War! There's word of some triad visitors, something that should keep them busy. I'm calling from the bathroom. I gotta go. I really gotta go.
Top fucking buzz this! I'm peaking on the blood pressure alone!
Yeah, terrific.
Well, well, well. What do we got here?
Here's your sandwich.
Who's this pretty thing?
I don't usually do this kind of shit, you know.
I like this girl. What's your name, kid?
Maria. And the service is not included.
Hey, the woman, you fat fuck!
You heard the bird.
Come on. Are you kidding me? See you later, guys.
And who's this asshole?
The name's Carl Johnson, sir. Before working with Mr. Rosenberg here, I had the pleasure of doing business with your son, Joey, back in Liberty City.
You know my Joey? I like that. So, kid, what can I do for you?
Well, Ken, vouch for me, I'm a straight killer.
Oh, one-man fucking army. Real dependable. Total fucking maniac, too.
You know the Forellis are sending over a crew to hit me. Their flight gets in soon. Traveling as a string quartet. I was gonna send some of the boys over as a little welcoming committee. But, maybe you can take care of it.
Thank you, sir. I guarantee you, you won't regret this.
Maybe I should go
You stay where you are, Rosenberg. I don't want you getting yourself lost.
Hey, what's going on?
Shit! How the fuck did he get here? Who cares? Waste him!
I ain't going down without a fight.
Everybody wants to be like me.
Hello. Hey there.
Carl, you get that dossier?
Yeah, I got the files. What you want me to do with them?
Well, we need to meet up someplace quiet and take care of things.
I'm also a minister.
There's a ghost town, Las Brujas, in the Devil's Castle. You know it?
Yeah, I'll find it.
I know you will. I'll see you there. Carl.
Yeah, real bad, man. Got you back.
Nice to see you.
¿Qué pasó, güey?
Have you ever been to Europe?
It sucks balls.
See you later.
Trucha.
Hi there.
Hi, cutie.
Two loped out niggas going crazy.
Not that I know.
I hope I see you again.
Bye, baby.
Excuse me?
¿Qué pues?
Don't you love the King's music?
Simone, Holmes, lots of times.
Have yourself a nice day.
Trucha for the one time, Holmes. Mi barrio es todo, homie.
That ropa is way cool, ese.
Lady, you are so boring.
Chupa mi panochita, puto. What's up, chica?
I know it's you stinking perro.
Look, just say what you gotta say. I ain't interested in the stupid games.
Stupid games? This is my heart you play with.
What? Look, you damn! Gotta change my number.